Imagine this. Boeing, one of the greatest aircraft manufacturers in history, has faced some of the biggest crises the aviation industry has ever seen. Tragic accidents, worldwide investigations, harsh criticism, and a reputation that was seriously damaged. Yet every single day, thousands of pilots still step into a Boeing cockpit with confidence. So why do pilots continue to trust Boeing? The answer is far more complex than most people think. For more than 100 years, Boeing has built aircraft that connect the world. Legendary airplanes such as the 737, the 747, the 777, and the 787 Dreamliner have carried billions of passengers across every continent. Over decades, these aircraft earned a reputation for performance, innovation, and reliability. However, everything changed with the Boeing 737 MAX. Following two tragic accidents in 2018 and 2019, the aircraft was grounded around the world. Investigations identified multiple contributing factors, including issues involving the MCAS flight control system and shortcomings in the certification process. More recently, manufacturing quality concerns have also attracted significant public attention. These events raised an important question: can Boeing still be trusted? Interestingly, many professional pilots answer that question differently from the general public. One of the main reasons is Boeing's flying philosophy. Many pilots appreciate the direct control and responsive handling that Boeing aircraft provide. Rather than feeling disconnected from the airplane, pilots often describe Boeing aircraft as giving them a stronger sense of control while still benefiting from modern technology. Another important advantage is cockpit familiarity. Across several Boeing models, cockpit layouts remain relatively consistent, making it easier for pilots to transition between aircraft while reducing training time and improving operational efficiency. Boeing also has decades of experience designing long-range commercial aircraft. The Boeing 777 and the Boeing 787 Dreamliner are trusted by airlines around the world and have accumulated millions of flight hours while operating on some of the longest routes on Earth. Of course, no discussion about Boeing is complete without mentioning Airbus. The two manufacturers follow different design philosophies. Boeing generally gives pilots more direct authority over the aircraft, while Airbus relies more heavily on computerized flight protections and automation. Neither approach is inherently better. Both have proven to be extremely safe when operated correctly. Following the 737 MAX accidents, Boeing introduced software updates, improved pilot training, and worked with aviation authorities around the world before the aircraft returned to commercial service. Today, the 737 MAX operates safely with many airlines after meeting regulatory requirements established by aviation authorities. In the end, professional pilots don't judge an aircraft based only on headlines. They evaluate how it flies, how it performs, how it is maintained, and how it has evolved over time. That is why, despite its biggest crises, Boeing remains one of the world's leading aircraft manufacturers and continues to earn the trust of many pilots. Now we'd like to hear from you. Would you rather fly on a Boeing or an Airbus? Share your opinion in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating aviation stories.